What's up guys, my name is Brendan and today I want to teach you the B-twist hyper hook. There are two important prerequisites that I would recommend before learning the butterfly twist hyper hook. First is the butterfly twist. The hyper hook is a butterfly twist variation, so if you don't have a strong butterfly twist, you're gonna run into a lot of struggles when learning the hyper hook. The second is the butter knife, otherwise known as a butterfly kick hook. That way you can train the landing and the ending of the butterfly twist hyper hook. So if you have a strong butterfly twist and a strong butter knife, you're ready to learn the hyper hook. So let's get started. Next, I want to go over the technique behind the butterfly twist hyper hook. The hyper hook is going to start just like a regular butterfly twist. We're going to perform the U-dip. Remember, the U-dip ends in a hollow body position with your arms relaxed by your sides and your leg back ready to kick. Next, we want to explode into the arched body position. As we do this, we want to pick our chest up and kick our back leg as hard as possible, bringing our arms apart and out to our side, ready to twist. And once we leave the ground, we can move into our twisting position. To do this, look towards your twisting side, bring your arms towards your twisting shoulder, and bring your legs together. Hold the twisting position until you spot your landing, and when you do, we're gonna execute the hyper hook variation. So open up your arms to cancel your twist, switch at the hip to get your leg ready to catch you. Move your eyes from the landing up to your target and extend at the hip to get the hook kick out. Extending at the knee and the ankle in front of your target and then pivoting across to get that nice hook kick with hip turnover. If you extend and then pivot, your hook kick will go right across your target. And that's the technique for the butterfly twist hyper hook. Next, I want to go over a progression for the butterfly twist hyper hook. I mentioned two prerequisites earlier, the butterfly twist and the butter knife, but there's a ton of other tricks that will help you learn, perfect, and then master your butterfly twist hyper hook. So here's a progression of skills that all have similar mechanics to help you train it. Next guys, I want to give you 3 drills to help you perfect and really train your hyper hooks. This is a hard trick. This is a trick that I really struggle with and that I'm always trying to work on to improve. Here are 3 drills that I do, so hopefully they'll help you too. The first drill is airplane jumps. This is a great drill for conditioning your butterfly kick and getting a nice strong set out of your U-dip. It trains the arch to hollow body transition and pushing off that base leg. The second drill is grounded butterfly twists. Get into a lunge and stick your back leg out as your pivot point. Then jump up and pull in to do a 360. Do this plenty of times and you will help develop this spatial awareness. So that way as you do your butterfly twist or as you do your hyper hook, you know exactly where you are in the air. Drill number 3 is step over hook. Training your step over hook will help all of your hook kick variations because it helps train your balance. If you have good balance coming out of your hook kick, all your skills will happen a lot easier. And the best way to develop that balance is by doing a ton of drills of step over hook. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I want to say a special thank you to all the patrons who have been supporting the Mastering series. Because of you guys, I'm able to make better and better tutorials each week. I sound a lot better today because I got a nice new mic for my camera. I am trying to make the best tutorials possible, and these guys are making it happen. Thank you guys so much, and please have a lovely day.